In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Miro boards. Miro is a fantastic tool for collaboration and creative work, enabling teams to brainstorm and organize ideas visually. Let's start by discussing how to find and open your boards so you can dive into your projects seamlessly. Once you've logged into Miro, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub and the starting point for all the magic to happen. It's designed to give you quick access to your boards, both those you own and those shared with you by your team. On this screen, you can organize, manage, and open your boards effortlessly. The dashboard is organized to help you quickly resume work on active projects and fosters easy collaboration by allowing team members to share their boards with you, populating them here for ready access. From the dashboard, take a look around and familiarize yourself with the various sections. You'll quickly notice how it's divided into segments. On one hand, you have boards that you own. These are the boards you've created, or boards you've been invited to take ownership of, allowing you to control editing permissions and sharing capabilities. On the other hand, you have boards shared with you. These are usually collaborative spaces to brainstorm with others or contribute to ongoing projects. When working within a team or space, having a shared view where all members can access boards fosters streamlined communication and transparency. This ensures everyone is on the same page and can view and modify content as needed. To open a board, simply click on it. If you're a part of multiple projects, use the search function available on the dashboard to easily find the board by name. Once inside a board, you'll see all the tools and options that Miro provides for collaboration and creativity, from sticky notes and sketches to diagrams and mind maps. Remember, the goal is to create a space where ideas can flow and grow without barriers. Navigating to your boards through the dashboard is straightforward, but if you're new to Miro, take a moment to explore the interface. Get comfortable with how it looks and feels. The ease of access from the dashboard is designed to streamline your workflow, reducing the time needed to find and open boards so you can focus on what really matters, your work. Lastly, if you encounter any issues finding or opening a board, make sure you have the correct permissions or reach out to the board owner for guidance. Miro is built to facilitate teamwork, so ensure everyone has the access they need to contribute effectively. And there you have it. Accessing Miro boards is as easy as pie, right from your dashboard. This central location for all your collaborative efforts makes starting and continuing your work both efficient and enjoyable.